Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my buffalo chicken casserole. This spicy and savory recipe combines all the flavor in traditional buffalo wings and wraps them up in a nice low-carb casserole. Let's get started. To begin, we'll need about 12 ounces or 2.5 cups of frozen or fresh riced cauliflower. Microwave the cauliflower for 4 minutes and set aside. Add 6 slices of bacon to a large skillet on medium-high heat. I cut these slices in half to help fit the pan. Fry until crisp and remove to cool. You'll notice a large amount of bacon grease in the pan. We'll only need about a tablespoon or so remove the rest for use in another recipe. Add the microwave cauliflower to the pan and stir and cook for about 2 to 4 minutes, enough to help soften the cauliflower as well as allowing it time to absorb that wonderful bacon flavor. Stir in some cayenne pepper hot sauce and continue to cook and stir until all of the cauliflower is coated in the sauce. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Slowly stir and mix until the cream cheese has fully melted into the cauliflower. Remove from the heat and set aside. To a large mixing bowl, add 18 to 20 ounces of cooked shredded chicken. All I did here was shred a pre-cooked rotisserie chicken from my grocer, which made things a whole lot easier. Add some salt, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little cayenne pepper. Now add a 1/4 cup of diced pickled jalapenos, a little ranch dressing, 1 cup of finely shredded Mexican blend cheese. Remember that bacon we fried? Chop that into little pieces and add to the bowl. Now add the cauliflower and cream cheese mixture. Give this a stir and mix well. Finally, add 2 lightly beaten eggs and mix to combine. Lightly oil an 8 by 12 inch casserole dish. Evenly distribute the chicken mix into the dish. Top with some more of the blended cheese. Now add a few sliced jalapenos to the top. Place this in the middle of a preheated 375-degree oven for 15 minutes. Let it cool just a bit. Serve hot, and don't forget to add a little extra hot sauce to the top. And enjoy. There you have it, folks, my buffalo chicken casserole. A spicy, savory recipe to make for your next low-carb meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.